Hey there! When your customers are placing an order on your website, Dukaan collects the customer's email address and shipping address by default. But sometimes you might want more information from your customers depending on the kind of business you have. For example, if you're a baker, you might want to know what name to put on the cake, at what time to deliver it, and if they want a photo printed on the cake, then the photo, etc. How do you go about it? With Dukaan, you can customize your order form to include more fields that you want your customers to fill at the time of placing an order. Here's how you can do that. From your Dukaan dashboard, click on the drop-down arrow at the top right corner. Then select Store Settings. From the submenu sections on the left, select Order Form. Over here, there are 3 sections. Let's understand them one by one. First, you can decide whether you want to enable guest checkout in your store or not. Guest checkout gives your customers an option to check out from your store without logging in. This is helpful if you want to give your customers an option to make an express purchase. But please note, if you enable guest checkout, you can't use features that require a user to sign into the store, like loyalty points. In the next section, you can see the default details that are collected from your customers, like their name, contact details, etc. Over here, you have 2 advanced fields, each for locality and landmark. You can choose to either make these a mandatory field or an optional one. Once you're done with these basic settings, it's time to add additional fields onto your order checkout form. Begin by clicking on the Add Field button in the next section. Here you need to input 3 things for every additional field you add. The field's name, its type, and whether or not this field is a required one or an optional one. Going back to the same example of a baker trying to obtain extra information, let's see how you can add a new text field and a time field. Enter the name of this field in the first box. I'm going to go with name on the cake. Next, we need to choose the right field type. Dukaan gives you 6 different types of custom fields. Text, useful for additional information that includes only text, say a name or preparation instructions. Email, useful for obtaining a validated email address for sending digital products like tickets or invoices, etc. Date picker, useful for selecting a specific date for scheduling appointments, event dates, etc. Time picker, useful for selecting a specific time for appointments, preferred delivery time, etc. Image uploader, useful for asking your customers to upload an image, say for prescriptions, screenshots, etc. Custom dropdown, useful for giving your customers a set list of options to pick from. For our use case, let's go with the text field here. Next, we want to make this mandatory for everyone to fill. Hence, I'm going to use this toggle to make this field mandatory. Our next additional information to collect is the preferred delivery time. To create this, enter preferred delivery time in the first field. Next, select the time picker as the field type. We're going to keep this optional for the customers to fill in, so we don't have to mark this as required. Here's a bonus tip. Let's see how you can use the custom drop-down field type. As a baker, I might want to know whether the customer wants cutlery along with the order or not. It's a simple yes or no selection, so let's go ahead and create that. In the first field, I'm going to write cutlery required, and then we choose custom dropdown as the field type. Once you select custom dropdown, you can start adding different options that your customers can pick from. I'm going to add 2 options, each for yes and no, and also a third option called candles only. Once you're done adding all the options, hit Save dropdown and then proceed to mark this field as required or not. And that's it. Your customized order form is now live. When your customers are placing their orders from your store, they'll see an additional screen after they enter their basic contact information for filling out the form. Once they fill out all the required information in the form, they can proceed with the purchase and complete the checkout. After a customer has checked out from the store, you can see all the custom information that you collected from the customer in the order details section. Use the order form today and save yourself from the hassle of following up for getting additional information from your customers. Happy selling!